Happy New Year everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to create this design in Adobe Photoshop very easily. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. Create a new file. I am choosing a file size of 3000 by 4000 pixel. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Take a new layer. Here, select the half of the artboard. Now select the gradient tool. Here double click and create a gradient. Light blue on the right. And purple on the left. And hit OK. Hold down shift and apply the gradient from bottom to top. Remove the selection and go to filter. Inside distort, select ripple. Here, set the amount slider all the way to the right. In size, select large and hit OK. Again filter, distort, ripple. This time only change the size to medium and hit OK. Now go to the filter again. Inside distort, select swirl. Here set the value to 340 and hit OK. Then convert the layer into smart object. To apply some texture on the web, go to the filter, select filter gallery. Here, select plastic wrap. And set the high strength value to 16, detail value to 9 and smoothness value to 8. Hit OK. I will apply a gradient. To make the web look more like ocean water, go to the gradient tab. Inside blue gradient group, select this gradient. And set the blend mode to soft light. I download a picture of the sky for the background. I am placing it in background. Here some pixels of the background are visible, so I am raising the web design a little bit. Select all and group everything. Then convert the layer into smart object. Use the crop tool to crop as needed. Here you are, our main design is ready. Now, if you want, you can make the design more beautiful by using some extra element such as text, some birds in the sky, some jet skis in the water, etc. You can see, I roughly removed the background of the jet skis, so I am not showing here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.